up in the air, Molly. What is that thing? It looks like an old Massey Harris with wings. Look out below, it's that crazy old guy. It's Airplane Elliott plowing the sky. Over Trenton and Brighton and Carrying Place, or as far off as Belleville and Wellington Bay. When the times they were tough and he was down on his luck, you'd know where he'd be, you just have to look up. Up in the air he goes, over Lake Ontario. Airplane Elliott's flying so high. All through the 30s, as free as a bird, he would leave that hard farming life so far behind. Well, we first saw him back in about 35, floating over our orchard in a gentle swan dive. That old contraption crashed into the ground. He just shook himself off and then hitched into town. He could fold that thing up just as neat as can be and throw it up on the roof of his old Model T, and with baling wire, sticky tape, grease, and a prayer, soon he would have that thing back in the air. Up in the air he goes, over Lake Ontario. Airplane Elliott's flying so high. All through the 30s, as free as a bird, he would leave that hard farming life so far behind. Years of working at making that little farm pay finally caught up with Elliott one fine day. Some rickety old homemade angels came down and took him away from that heartbreaking ground. He was up in the air, he goes over Lake Ontario. Airplane Elliott flying so high. All through the 30s, as free as a bird, he would leave that hard farming life so far behind.